Hello everyone, welcome back. You are watching the Data Labs. My name is Dilip. In this tutorial, we are going to learn VBA automation through a live project. We will develop a fully automated complaint management system. Okay, and in this project, we are going to cover user form, text box, labels, combo box, list box, multi-page controls, command buttons, and other ActiveX controls, and respective events while developing this automated tool. So once you learn all these controls and coding, you will be able to build any data entry application in Excel and VBA. Okay. So before moving ahead and developing this application, let us see the demo file which I have already created in VBA. And once we will go through the demo file, we will replicate the same design and functionalities in the next part of the tutorial. Okay. So let's move to the demo file first. And here you can see that this is the complaint management system, and while developing this complaint management system, if you look at the structure of this worksheet, basically the workbook, we have utilized 4 different worksheets. Like the first one is home, pending complaints, resolved complaints, and support data. Okay, so let's understand the uses of all these worksheet first. So in home worksheet, you can see that there is a raise complaint button available. The home worksheet basically provides the user interface to end user so that one can click on raise complaint button to open the complaint management system form. And once user will open, user can feed all the information and submit the data to raise a complaint, right? And if you move to the complaint, like the pending complaints, so in pending complaint worksheet, basically this worksheet holds all the information related with the pending complaints. Okay, so here we have 5 different pending complaints are listed as of now. Okay, and in this worksheet you can see that a lot of columns available, like date, employee name, customer email, region of complaint and country, case priority, whether his customer is VIP customer or not, and the complaint description. So all these information are available in the pending complaints. Okay, and if you talk about the resolved complaints here, so resolved complaints has been used to store all the complaints which has been resolved. Like if you are working on the pending complaints and if you submitted any of the complaints as is resolved, then that particular complaint will be moved from this pending complaints and it will be moved to the resolved complaints. Okay, and it contains all those columns. Like if you talk about the columns, so it contains all the columns which are available in pending complaints, starting from date to complaint description. Okay, and after that the resolution summary, case handle, and case handled by, and case handled on. So all these 3 columns are extra in the resolved complaint. Okay, and the 4th worksheet, that is support data basically. So in support data we have created 2 different list box list. You can see that one is for country and one is for regions. So basically in our actual project, that is CMS complaint management system, we have used couple of combo box, and out of those we have 2 combo box, one is country name and one is regions. So what we are doing, we are just using country name and regions as a data source. You can see that row source for those combo box. So it means whenever you need to, or like while using this tool, if you think that you need to add some regions and country name, as well as like if you just want to remove any of the country name and regions, it means you do not need to go in coding window and do the coding or adjust the row source. Basically you just need to make the changes in country name and regions, and the code will automatically pick the range from the updated list, and it will start showing in the respective combo box. Okay, so this is all about the worksheet we have utilized in our project. Let us open the user form and raise and resolve a complaint to see the demo. So to open the complaint management form, let's move to the home worksheet. And in home worksheet we have a button available, like raise complaint button. So with the help of this raise complaint button, we can open the form. So let's click on that. And now you can see that the user form for complaint management system is here. Let us understand the structure of the form, and then we will see the demo of the complaint management system. So here this is in this main form basically we have three different sections. Okay, and the first section is to add new complaints. Like we have several controls available here, like for date, employee name, customer, email, country, complaints, reason for complaints, case priority, VIP customer description, and submit and result. So these are the controls which are available and which are required to raise a complaint. So once you will feed all those information, you can transfer the data, like you can submit the data from here to pending complaints worksheet. And once the data will get transferred, it will update it in pending complaints worksheet, and it will also start reflecting in the pending complaints part. So this is the first part of this form. The second part is showing the summary related with pending complaints as well as resolved complaints. Okay, so as we have case priority here, you can see like we have high, medium, low. So this is providing a dashboard. You can say that you can like how many total number of high priority cases, medium cases, low cases, and what are the total number of pending complaints. Same goes for resolved, like it shows high, medium, low, and overall count for resolved complaints. So this provides the summary. And one more thing about the resolved, this second part, it is totally dynamic. Basically it is connected with the this multi-page control, like page 1 and page 2. So pending complaints and resolved complaints. So once you switch from resolved complaints to pending complaints, it will start showing the data for pending complaints. And again, if we'll select the resolved complaints, then it will show the data for resolved complaints. Okay. And the third part, basically the third part is providing the details of pending complaints and resolved complaints. So here we have utilized multi-page control, and in this multi-page control we have only two pages. You can see one is for pending complaints and one is for raised complaints. And in each of the page we have list box, you can say multi-column list box. So for pending complaints we have a list box which is showing the details for pending complaints, and for resolved complaints we have a list box with multi-column data and showing the details of resolved cases basically. Okay, and both the pending complaints and resolved complaints, both the list box are dynamically connected with the worksheet that is named pending complaints worksheet and resolved complaint worksheet. And apart from showing the details for pending and resolved, if you talk about the pending complaints, we have an additional feature available here. Like suppose if you just want to resolve any of the cases available in the pending complaints list box, you just need to double click on it, and once you will double click on it, it will open the resolve complaint form basically. And with the help of resolve complaint form, you can resolve the pending case and put the summary and click on submit. So once you will submit the data, basically what it will do, it will remove the this particular record from pending part, like from this list box, and same from pending complaint worksheet, and it will update the same case in resolved complaints. Okay, so that will start reflecting in resolved complaint list box, and again it will be updated in resolved complaint worksheet here. So this is all about the structure of the complaint management system. Let's raise a complaint. So let's quickly enter a customer name and see how it works. So you can see date and employee name is by default it is getting updated by system, so you do not need to do this. Okay, system will capture both the details. Here customer name we need to enter the customer name and other details. So let's Mr. Kumar, and here kumar@gmail.com, and the country, let's select any of the country here, so you can see the list of all those country. So Greece basically. Region for complaints, so there are a lot of regions listed over here, and both the country and complaints, so both the combo box are connected with the support data worksheet. So all those regions and country name and coming from the support data. So let's select any of the complaints, reason for complaints. So poor customer service, and here we have an additional combo box that is for priority. So we have 3 different priority: high, medium, low. So let's select medium. And if you think that okay, the customer who is calling or raising the complaint is VIP customer or not, if customer is VIP, then you just need to tick this. Otherwise you can leave this untick basically. So let's selecting this VIP customer and put the description over here. So customer called and raised a complaint regarding the services we are providing. He is not happy. So we have submit all those details here. Let's click on submit. So one more thing I just want to add over here, if you miss any of the information, let me cut this information, and we are keeping this blank. And once you click on submit, it will take the confirmation, do you want to transfer the data? If you say yes, then it will validate like the entries which you made. Like we have entered all the details, but we have missed to enter the description, and that's the reason it's showing please enter the description. So click on OK. Now you can see that it has been highlighted with a red background. So just enter the information like customer called and raised the complaint. Now click on submit. So again it will ask the confirmation. Click on yes. Now you can see that data has been transferred to pending worksheet, and the same has started reflecting in the pending complaints part, that is the last record. So today is 19th December and we raised the complaint on 19th of December. That's why it's showing here all this information. Okay, so this is all about the raising and complaint. Let's resolve any of the complaints. So let's I'm just going to resolve this particular complaint. So just double click on this record here, and once you double click on any of the records, the pending part, it will open a resolve complaint window, and it will fill all those details like a date. So it will pick today date, employee name, the employee name which is like who is working on this particular pending complaints, and the customer name and customer email ID that is coming from the selected records, the pending records. So it means 2 of the records is system is updating, and the last 2 records is coming from the selected pending record. Here you just need to provide the information resolution summary. So let's call customer and size for that. Now click on submit. So it will take confirmation, do you want to submit the data? Yes. So now you can see that here the pending complaints part, like the last record has been moved from this, and it has started reflecting in the resolved complaints part, like okay. And here the resolved complaint summary is showing like we have 4 high cases, 1 medium, 1 low, and total 6. So we have 6 different cases are available here. In pending complaints again we have 5 different cases, and the bifurcation for all those cases are 4 are high, 0 medium, 1 low, and total 5. Okay, so this is all about the demo of fully automated complaint management system, and this application has been developed in Excel and Visual Basic application language, right? So this is going to be very interesting, and we will develop this automated tracker from scratch in next part of the tutorials. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any question, you can always ask me. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the notification of all upcoming tutorials. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and comment. Please send us project related queries on our email ID, that is info@thedatalabs.org. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next part of the tutorial. Bye bye.